95% of the people who try affiliate marketing quit within the first year, but the 5% who don't have made this industry worth $36.9 billion. Now here's why everyone else fails. They pick niches where there is zero competition, or they try to promote everything and hoping to see something sticks, or they try get rich quick schemes without building a real business, and they do affiliate marketing like it's in 2050. But here's what the top 5% know. They get $15 back for every $1 they spend using one specific traffic that most people ignore. And there is a 6-step system that is working right now that is helping thousands of people make $1,000 to $10,000 per month easily. I'm going to show exactly what that system is. But before that, you need to understand the step number 3, which is the make or break step, which is going to really differentiate between the winners and the quitters. Step number 1, pick your niche. The ROI-First method. Step 1 is picking your niche. Forget about following your passion. And here's what actually pays. Education or e-learning niche. Now this pays up to 20 to 70% commissions, and SaaS products, 20 to 70% recurring monthly income. And third one is health and wellness. Now 15 to 30% and even 60 to 70% in a 6.7 billion market. And number 4 is finance or fintech. Now you can get up to $50 to $100 per lead. But here's the trap that most people fall into. They pick a niche and they start creating content. That's a wrong move, because you need to understand the step number 4. Because step number 4 reveals the traffic source that 69% of successful affiliates use, but only if you set up your niche correctly first. Here's what you need to do for quick validation. You can check on the Google Trends, or you can use softwares like Exploding Topics to see what is going to trend. And also you can verify whether the affiliate programs really exist by checking on Offer Vault. And also you can use App Paying to check whether the affiliate platforms are legit. Step number 2, the platform selection, the multi-channel approach. 77% of the successful affiliates don't put all eggs in one basket. Now, the primary platform is going to be YouTube, which is good for clickable links and fast trust building. Second one is going to be blog or website, because 69% use SEO as their main traffic source. And the secondary platforms, it's going to be TikTok for viral content using 3-second hook rule. And also you can use Instagram for stories and link in bios. So start with one, master it, and then expand to other platforms. But here's what nobody tells about the platform selection, because most people make the biggest mistake in the step number 3, where they sound like salespeople instead of becoming a trusted friend. Step number 3, the trust first content strategy. Now this is the place where most people mess up badly. They sound like an annoying used car salesperson. But here's a framework that converts 3x better. The trust formula. Test product yourself. Show proof, show receipts, whatever it's possible. Real honest reviews. Mention the bad stuff too. Unique personal stories, because your experience matters. Social proof and case studies. Let others do the bragging. Transparent disclosure. This builds credibility, not suspicion. Your content arsenal should look like tutorial videos, like simple how-to videos to get specific results, case studies based on real screenshots, comparison reviews with actual data. Number 4, listicle videos, which is easy and digestible by the audience. Number 5, real before and after transformation of people with pure storytelling. Remember, people can smell a fake from a mile away. Be real, be helpful, be human. Step number 4, the 100K traffic system. Now, traffic isn't about luck. It's about having the right system. Now, here is the exact 4-tier approach that successful affiliates use. Tier 1, SEO foundation. Now you can target long tail keywords around your affiliate products. Make everything mobile first, because 50 to 62% of the traffic is from mobile. You can always build single page websites for your affiliate products. Tier 2, social amplification. Now you can use TikTok and YouTube Shorts, where 21% have reported the best ROI, and you can use Instagram with mobile optimized content, and you can also use LinkedIn for B2B and SaaS opportunities. Tier 3, solo ads, the secret weapon. This is where most beginners can get quick wins. Now you can get solo ads ranging from 50 cents all the way to $1.50 and even $2 per click. You can use platforms like Udimi, Trafficzest to get your solo ads traffic running. And you can use top tracking tools like Optindojo or ClickMagick. Now, if you want to know how to use solo ads to build your affiliate marketing business, then you can always watch out the video on top right of your screen where I've explained step by step. Even a complete beginner or even a 70-year-old grandmother can watch and learn and do it step by step. Tier 4, the paid acceleration. Now this is where the difference is affiliate making $10,000 per month to an affiliate making $100,000 per month. And you can use Google Ads for buyer intent keywords, and you can use Facebook ads for retargeting the people you already know. And also you can use YouTube ads to scale your video content. Step number 5, the conversion optimization, the 15:1 ROI framework. The difference between $1,000 per month and a $10,000 per month affiliate isn't about traffic. It's about conversion optimization. It's just like the difference between a bicycle and a Ferrari. Same destination, but journey is completely different. The link placement strategy. Always place your links above the fold in the para. And your secondary links should always come within the content. Call to action boxes and conclusions should have the tertiary links. Trust signals that convert. FTC compliant disclosures is all about building credibility. Personal use photos and videos and comparison tables with real data, and mention the money back guarantees. Create urgency with limited time offers. Email list building is crucial. Always build lead magnets related to your affiliate products. Build email sequences that nurture relationships, and this can give you up to 14:1 ROI on ad spend. Step number 6, scale and optimizing using data. Now here's how you turn your first $1,000 into $10,000 per month using hard and cold data. Now track these metrics like your life depends on it. Number 1, click-through rates per content type. Number 2, conversion rate by traffic source. And number 3, revenue per piece of content. And number 4, customer lifetime value. Scaling strategies. Double down on what's working best and expand into other sub-related niches. And you can create content series and funnels. You can build affiliate recruitment networks, and eventually you can launch your own digital product. It's just like playing a video game. You level up by understanding the stats and optimizing the strategy. Now let me show you this actually works with real examples. One Reddit affiliate is earning $140 per day just with organic strategies. And a YouTube channel gained 15,000 views in days using smart content creation. And another affiliate is pulling $12,000 to $13,000 monthly with almost pure profit margins. Note that these are not unicorns, but they are regular people who follow the system like this. Here's a reality check. Affiliate marketing is getting competitive every single month. Now what was working right now might not work in 6 months. So it's almost like trying to catch a train that is moving. But if you start now with this proven system, then you might be in the top 5% who actually succeed in this affiliate marketing business. But if you want to learn more about this affiliate marketing business on how to build this step-by-step, beginner-friendly with no technical setups, then you can always watch out the video on top right of your screen where I've explained it clearly and easy to understand. Now, if you really like this content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. Now, please stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to show you a complete full course of how to do an affiliate marketing business using solo ads. So see you until then, bye.